Welcome back to Namielus MATLAB. You are yet on another session of learning, which is division of fractions graphically. It's a continuation of fractions. In this session, we are going to look at what the illustrations can help us to do division of fractions graphically. We need no calculations. Remember, since division has a relationship with multiplication, we shall need not to forget our multiplication skills. We might be given to work out 8 over 9 divided by 4 over 3. Remember that division is the opposite of multiplication. Division is the opposite of multiplication. I repeat that. Division is the opposite of multiplication. So, dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. Reciprocal means interchange. In simple terms, just interchange the numerator with the denominator. That's a reciprocal. In other words, it means you get a fraction and then divide it by 1. That is equivalent to a reciprocal. So therefore, if we are dividing by 4 over 3, this is the same thing as multiplying by 3 over 4. That means dividing a fraction is equivalent to multiplying by its reciprocal. And once we have turned it to multiplication, remember we already have done multiplication earlier in the earlier sessions. If you have not done them, you can go back and first go through how the multiplication works, then the division will become easy. Therefore, 8 over 9 divided by 4 over 3 is equivalent to 8 over 9 multiplied by 3 over 4. Then the multiplication we already know. So let's move on and see how we are going to handle such a problem. Now, this is what we have. 8 over 9 multiplied by 3 over 4. So this is our 8 over 9, and then this is our 3 out of 4. What we are going to do, we are going to map the 3 out of 4 onto the 8 out of 9, and then we start counting the squares or the portions which have been multiplied twice. Which have been shaded twice. Now this is the 8 out of 9, so let's overlap it with the 3 out of 4. This is how it comes. Now we are going to have the double shading counted. So when you look at this, when we check for the double shading, we have all this area up to here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 1, 2, 3. 8 by 3, which gives 24. 8 by 3 gives 24. And then out of, what do we have? It is out of 36. So it is 24 out of 36, which we are going to work out and see what we get. So we are having 24 out of 36, and when you look at that simplified, we are going to have, if we cancel by 12, we are going to have 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3 as our answer of 8 over 9 divided by 4 over 3. We get 2 over 3. So we are not going to do much on division, but what you will always remember is that if you have done multiplication, what the divisor should turn into a reciprocal, and then you multiply. That's the technique. If you master the multiplication, then the division will have no issue. Let's try go ahead and see what we have on menu. Now what we have on menu is I request you to pause the video and then try to work out the following. Actually, we are not multiplying, but we are dividing. Divide the following fractions graphically. Now, you know the trick. Just use multiplication to do division. After you have completed numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 5, then in number 6, using calculations, work out the above numbers 1 to 5 to prove yourself that really you have mastered this formula and you are getting everything right. See you again when we come back with addition and subtraction using this method of graphical method on fraction. Thank you.